everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a baked burrito casserole. On Friday nights, me and Calvin always usually try to fix something special because it's our date night. So I'm making this casserole for us. So let me get started on this. I really don't like peeling onions because they always make me crack. You know, a lot of people says there's different remedies to keep you from crying, but I've never found one that works for me yet. So far I'm getting through this one without too many tears. Everybody cuts an onion different, and there's no rhyme or reason in my opinion, but just cut it how you can get it cut up. Okay. I think that right there is going to be enough for my own recipe. So let me get on to the next step. My first step is I'm browning my hamburger meat, and then when it gets cooked just a little bit more, I'm going to add my onion. And you can add a whole medium onion in yours, but me and Calvin had a large onion, and so I'm just going to be adding half of it. And I really do like this recipe. This is the first time that I've made it for myself, but the reason I wanted to do it was my daughter brought this casserole dish to me for when I was having a birthday, and me and Calvin really did enjoy it, and so I told Calvin that I was really wanting to make it, but this is the first time I've got a chance to, and so I think we're really going to enjoy it. And like I mentioned at the start of the video, I am preparing this for our Friday night date night meal. It is so beautiful here today in Georgia, but I tell you, we are really dealing with some hot weather. It was up to, I think, around 95, wasn't it, Calvin? And I've been out west before, and when it gets up in temperatures like that, it just feels different than it does here. Okay, I think that my onions have cooked enough right now, and I'll be back. I'm going to drain my meat, and then I'm going to be adding in my refried beans. My hamburger meat is browned now, and my onions are done, and so now I'm going to be adding in my taco seasoning mix. I'm just going to mix this all in. And that smells good.
As soon as you open that up, it smells great.
Yeah. I love Mexican food. That's one of the things that I really hate about sheltering in. Because I miss my Mexican food. But I think this right here is going to be a real good dish we're going to enjoy tonight. Okay, now then I'm going to be adding in my refried beans. Turn on my iron, get this all incorporated. Okay, I just added in my refried beans, and all you have to do is cook this until it gets warm. Okay, I already have my hamburger mixture all ready, and so now I'm going to be adding in my cream of mushroom soup. I'm adding a half a cup of sour cream into my cream of mushroom soup. Okay, so I'm going to get that all incorporated. Okay, I think that right there is good. Okay, I have my cream of mushroom and my sour cream mixture mix, so now I'm going to start layering my casserole.
You're going to put about half of it in the bottom first?
Yeah, I'm going to put half of it in the bottom. Alright, now then I'm going to put in my tortillas. You can lay these, you can tear them up, you can do them however you want to. But, okay, now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to be adding about half of my hamburger mixture. I think some people even just cut their tortillas up in triangles and just lay them all through there. It's just however you want to cut them up to cover your pan up. Okay, get this out. I think I'm going to get enough. Also tonight, I'm going to put some toppings on my casserole. I'm going to put some green onions and some lettuce and tomato on top of it. You don't have to do that, but that's the way I'm going to serve this one today. Okay, I've got that spread out good, and so now I'm going to add my cheese. I'm going to be adding 1 cup of cheese. But, you know, I like a little more cheese, so I believe this may be about 1.5 cups. Okay, now then I'm going to be adding the mixture. Again, this is my sour cream and mushroom soup.
There's your airplane.
Yeah. Here, get every little bit of it. Okay, so now I'm going to layer some more tortillas. Let me get my scissors. You can cut it, or you can just lay it in there like this right here. Just put the ends down like that. Okay, now then I'm going to be adding my rest of my hamburger mixture. Yeah, I think that does a lot better right there than the spatula. Okay, I got all of that smoothed out, and so now I'm going to be adding my cheese. But you can really just add as much cheese as you want. Okay, I have my baked burrito casserole assembled now, and so I'm going to be cooking it for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And when it's cooked, I'll be back. Okay, my casserole has just came out of the oven, and so I'm going to let it set for about 15 minutes, and then I'll be back.
Looks very good, Marie. I love how it looks.
It smells good too.
Yeah. You gonna go ahead and fix us a plate of it now after it cools?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good to me. You know I love Mexican food.
Yeah. Okay, my casserole has been cooling for about 10 minutes.
That sure looks good, Marie.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to plate it up. I'm going to put some lettuce on it, and you can put all the condiment, any kind of condiments that you want on it, or you don't even have to put any. You can even put black olives on this, which I don't have any today. Okay, now I'll put some green onions. Put some taco sauce. And some sour cream. You can tell that it's hot here in Georgia today. My sour cream is like okay. Here's my burrito casserole, and it really smells good and looks great, and I can't wait to eat it. And I hope everyone has a great weekend. And so do what you love and love what you do, and bye.